principle of drying with heat is basically the same, although there are various different methods of applying this technology throughout the disaster restoration industry. DisasterCare Platinum uses the thermodry system, which in principle is not dissimilar from other systems in that there is a furnace generating large amounts of hot air and then a fan to push the hot air into the building which you're trying to dry. However, DisasterCare Platinum, as a principle, we will only dry a building down to 80% because we believe that if you go to 100%, you run the risk of damaging the intrinsic fabric of the property. We will go to 80% and finish the job using conventional drying systems. It is much more common to find what we call conventional drying technology. This basically uses dehumidification and air movement to dry buildings. There are two basic sorts of dehumidification. There is desiccant dehumidification and there is refrigerant dehumidification. DisasterCare Platinum favours desiccant dehumidification because it is more efficient, more effective and quieter to run. It's very important it's unobtrusive because it is very difficult to live with a noisy dehumidifier. With a desiccant dehumidifier you can use directional drying, which involves using pipes and mats to direct the flow of hot air into the affected areas. You can also use a method called tenting. Tenting basically means that you will tent off the affected area of the building, place a desiccant dehumidifier within, have it vented to the outside, and you will dry only the portion of the building which is affected. Whichever method one uses to dry a building, it's essential that the progress of the drying operation be monitored. There is the ISD method, which is a very simple two-dial method showing humidity and temperature, which can be read by the technician or indeed the policyholder. We now have a system called HygroNet. The HygroNet system will give you a graphic display on your laptop or desktop computer. Therefore, you can monitor the progress from the graphic display and indeed tell immediately if there is a problem within the drying regime. Rest assured that DisasterCare Platinum will always be at the cutting edge of technology in the disaster restoration industry so that we can improve our service to you, our client.